Good morning everyone. In previous class we have discussed about how we are going to insert a node at the beginning of what? Beginning. Okay, at the beginning of what? Your linked list. Okay, at the beginning of the linked list, first what you are going to do, you have to create a new node and that address that will be copied into a start pointer. Then only it will become what? Your first node. This is the concept. Today we are going to discuss about how we are going to insert a node at the end of what? Your linked list. Okay, how we are going to insert a node at the end of what? Your linked list. Okay, consider what you have to do. See here I have taken 10 and 20. Two elements I have inserted. Okay, so at the end, before inserting a new node, you have to perform traversing. Okay, traversing means each node you have to traverse at least one time. Okay, why you have to traverse means to identify the last node. Okay, to identify the last node, you have to traverse from beginning to end until you reach what your last node. Okay, to identify last node, you have to use what? Traversal. Okay, so after traversing, see first I visited what? 10 and second I visited what? 20. Okay, and here it is indicating what? Null. Null indicates it is a last node. So what this algorithm says, you have to insert, okay, one node at the end. In the sense here you have to insert a new node. Okay, this is my new node. Okay, after inserting new node, I want to fill what? My data part, and I want to make this one as null, and I want to link this part with what? This. Okay, why? Because after inserting one more node, this will become your last node. So you have to make this one as what? Null, and you have to link this one to what? Your previous node. Okay, this is what the logic of the algorithm. Now we'll move on to what? Algorithm. Okay, see here. Okay, start. What is step 2 says? Identify the last node in the list. In this concept, you have to identify the last node before inserting a node. Okay, before inserting, you have to identify the last node. How you are going to identify means you have to perform traversing. Traversing algorithm, you know. Okay, you have to access each and every element at least once. We are calling as what? Traversal. What is the use of traversal means? To identify the last node before inserting, you have to use this concept. Okay, then P is pointing to what? Start. Okay, P is a pointer that will be pointing to what? Beginning. It will be pointing to what? Start. So already I said either you can use equals or arrow. Okay, no more confusions. Okay, P, beginning it will be pointing to here. Okay, beginning it will be pointing here, and next while P is not equal to null. Yes, P is not equal to null. It will come to where it will point to the next of P, which is the next node 10. Okay, see, this is your node 1 and this is what your node 2. Okay, if P is not null, yes, P is not null because it is pointing to start. It is not null. So now the pointer is pointed to the next P. See, this is your next of P. Now the pointer will come here. Okay, pointer is pointing to here. Again, it will come back here. Pointer is pointing to where? 1. Okay, 1 is not equal to what? Null pointer because it is pointing toward the next node. Okay, then what will happen? Now P is equals to next of P. If P value is not null, see, end, it is not null because it holds the address of next node. So it is not equal to null. So pointer will be incremented. It will go to the next of P. What is the next of P here? Now it is here. Now P will be incremented. Now P is pointing here. P is pointing there, and assume that we have taken null. Okay, we are using null. So it indicates what? End, right? Because any node that is ends with what? Null, it will become what? End of the node. Now P is pointing there. Now come here. So here P, whether P is pointing to null? Yes. P is pointing to null. Null is equals to null. Yes, the condition is true. Whenever condition is true, it will end the while loop. Okay, it will end the while loop. Whenever it is not equal to null, it will be loop here only. Okay, it will loop here, just it will increment the pointer. Okay, to point the next node, we are using what? This condition. Once the pointer reaches to the null character, both it will become equal. So it indicates your the last node, so that you can insert the node next to that one. Okay, after the condition satisfies, it ends the while loop. Now, you got your last node. Now what you have to do? You have to create what? A new node. So new node by name what? N. So consider this is what your new node. This is your new node, and I am taking a new node name as what? N. Okay, clear? New node, I am taking a new node name as what? N. Okay, now after creating this new node, immediately you have to insert a data. Okay, immediately you have to fill what? Your data part. See here. Item, anything you can take. See here 10, 20 is there. You can go with 40, 15, etc. Anything. Okay, so item I am going to take as what? 15. So this 15 will be assigned to what? Data. Okay, data of n means the new node. So now here I am filling this 15. Data part I have filled. So here already we got end. So now this is not your last node. Why? Because after this one we have inserted what? New node. So this will become what? Your end of the node. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to make this part null. Okay, so here what? Null link of n. Okay, null what? Link of n. So this link of n, it is filled with what? Null pointer. Okay, now that's it. Okay, so it will be filled with what? Null. Why? Because after this node we have created one new node, and this is your end of the node. That's why here you have to write what? Null. Okay, now what will happen? You have to link this last node to the previous node. Okay, that is for this one. So link of P n. Okay, is pointing to what? N. In the sense the new node n, the new node n is pointing to link of the previous node. So the link of the previous node is what? Now this node holds the address of what? New node. Then it will what? Returns the new node. Okay, so this is the concept. So we have discussed how we are going to insert a node at the beginning, at the end. It's very simple concept. Just you have to create one new node, make that one as what? Null, and points to the previous node. That's it. Okay, but before inserting any item or any element at the end, you have to perform traversing. What is mean by traversing? To identify the last node in the list. Okay, you have to use what? Traversing. According to that last node, you are going to insert what? Your new node.